For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to measure the irregular site dimensions and irregular site areas for the respected projects in AutoCAD software. Okay, so this is also one of the most important concept in civil engineering. So most of the sites, sometimes it will be irregular type and sometimes it will be irregular dimensions. Due to the presence of that respected property, it was difficult to measure that particular area of the site by using manual calculations. Okay, so by using AutoCAD software, you can easily measure the area of the particular irregular site by using AutoCAD software. Okay, initially I will draw some of the irregular shapes, then after that I will measure the area of the particular sites. Okay, so here I am opening my AutoCAD software. Click on the start drawing option. So firstly I will show you how to draw the objects. So just I am selecting the units command initially, UN enter option. So here I am selecting the dimensions will be of engineering and select this particular value will be feet. Click on OK. Click on OK option. So firstly I am drawing one of the rectangle. Firstly I will show you how to measure that particular rectangle area. Then after that I will explain you irregular shape. Okay. So now I am selecting dimensions command option, modify option. Select this alternative units which is this primary units which is related to the engineering, and select this fit text option which is comes under the value of 9 inches. Just I am considering here. Click on OK option, close option. So here I am selecting the rectangular command, REC enter. Just I am selecting this particular starting point. Again I am selecting this second point. So now initially I need to measure the dimensions. Just I am selecting the line dimensions. Select the first point, select the second point. So now we can see it will be consisting of some less dimensions, but I will draw large dimensions for the respected rectangular property. REC enter. Just I am selecting the corner point here. Just I am selecting the second point here. Z enter, enter option. Okay. So here I am selecting the starting point, this one, second point, this one. This is the length of this particular site. Let us consider. Again I am selecting this starting point. Again I am selecting this second point. This is the width of this respected point. Okay. In order to calculate the area of this particular rectangular section, we need to multiply this respected length multiplied by width so that it can get the value in square feet for the respected consideration. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to measure the area of this particular rectangular portion by using AutoCAD software, we have the command is there, area command. Okay. So AERA, click on enter option. So it will ask you to select the points at the corner for the respected considerations of the area. This time selecting the starting point here, second point here, let us consider. Again I am selecting the third point here. Again I am selecting the fourth point here. Again I am coming to the first point here like this. Click on enter option. Okay. So that it will display the area on the bottom section here like this. It will be consisting of approximately 24211.3110 square inches, or it will be consisting of 29.245216 square feet area for this respected particular section. Okay. So this is the process of measuring the area of the section which is comes under the rectangular portion. Now in the same process I will draw you the some of the irregular shape for the respected building consideration. So for that just I am selecting the line command. Just I am selecting here. Again I am selecting here. Again I am selecting here. Let us take, this is my site. Okay. In order to measure this area for this respected particular irregular dimensions, it was difficult. Okay. So by using AutoCAD software we can easily measure the area. Just I am selecting the area command again. Again I am selecting the starting point here. Again I am selecting second point here. Just I am selecting third point here. Just I am selecting fourth point here. Fifth point here. Again I am selecting the last point here. Click on enter option. Okay, now we can see it will be consisting of approximately 1066.81 square inches, which is approximately equal to 7.40 square feet area for this respected particular irregular shape. But this small amount of the irregular shape will not be exist in the particular real-time projects of the site. Okay. So now I will draw some large site. Just I am selecting the starting point. Just I am selecting the, let us consider, just I will draw the large site. Let us consider, just I am selecting the line command. Starting point is this. Let us take, it will be consisting of 66 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. Again I am selecting Z enter option, A enter option. So in the same process, just I am drawing the line, which is comes under the value is just I am taking 80 feet 0 inches value here. Again I am selecting this particular left hand side dimensions, otherwise you can directly draw the vertical dimensions also. So I am selecting here. Again I am selecting this particular value is approximately 65 feet. Just I am connecting here. Now we can see this is the irregular shape. Okay, again we have to measure the area for this respected irregular shape. Just I am selecting area command. Let us take, select the starting point, select the second point, select the third point. Just I am selecting the fourth point. Again I am selecting the last point. Click on enter option. Now we can see again it was measure the area here like this, which is related to the 748319.3790 square inches, which is approximately equal to 5196.662354 feet. Okay, so if you want to convert this respected value into square yard, we need to divide this particular value with 9. Okay, so it will be consisting of 5196 divided by 9, which is approximately equal to 577.33 square yards area for this respected site. Okay, so in the same process I will draw you some of the irregular shape. This time selecting here, let us consider this time drawing here like this for the irregular site. Let us consider this time selecting the starting point. So in order to measure the irregular shaped area for the respected site, we need to click on the area command, click on enter, select the starting point, select the second point, select the third point, select the fourth point, select the fifth point, select this point, select this point. Again I am selecting this point, again I am selecting this point. Okay, click on enter option, so that it will measure the area here like this, which is comes under 4255921.1267, which is approximately equal to 2955 square feet area. 29555 okay, 555 not 55 divided by 9, so that it can get the value is approximately equal to 4283.88 square yards. In order to convert this respected yards to acres, initially we need to divide this particular value with 121, so that it will make the value is approximately guntas. So if you divide this respected value with 40, so that it will make the acres here. Okay, so that it will make the acres as 0.67848 acres here like this. Okay, so in this way you can easily measure the dimensions of the irregular shapes, and you can measure the area of the irregular dimensions. In the same process you can measure the n number of the dimensions for the respected particular site. Okay, so this is the complete process how to measure the area of the site for the irregular shape by using AutoCAD software. So in the practical situation for this respected large site, it was difficult to measure the area of the site. So if you have the total station, it will be easy, but in total station also you need to import this particular points to the AutoCAD software, okay, in order to build that particular area. Okay, so but here in this case it will be easy if you know the points at the site. Okay, so this is the complete process. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.